Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely great. It's been a while and I am back fully activated to continue from where I stopped. I've been fully engaged lately with other activities and then I had no time to chase my YouTube career, but now I'm back. So I received a video suggestion from one of you guys on how to mock up your designs in a phone or in this kind of presentation. Looking at this kind of presentation, it makes your design look attractive, more attractive, and better. So if you're searching on how to do this and you don't know how to go about it, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, how to achieve this in 1 or 2 minutes. So if you, I think I have another sample here. So this one has shadows on it, and this one is just plain. So what differentiated this is just the colors and pattern. All right. So firstly, if you're just joining up for this first time, this is just graphics and we make videos on smartphone graphic design tutorials. So kindly support our channel by subscribing for more videos and then liking the video if this video really helped you. So guys, thanks for that. All right, let's get started now. I'm gonna take this away and I'm going to firstly, once you're done with your design and then it's time for presenting it on YouTube, maybe as a YouTube thumbnail, or you want to present it in other social media platforms, but then you want to mock it up, make sure you've saved your design. So I'm just going to go to my gallery and then I'll import something. I'm going to import a design firstly. Okay. I just downloaded this video recently. Sorry, this graphics recently online. I have no time to search for my design, so I just downloaded online. Okay, I'm gonna place this here. I think this one is way easy for you to understand. I'm gonna place it here, just this way. And as you can see, this one has this one. Let me disable this. This one has shadows on it at the back. If you wanna input this shadow, what you need to do is to click on it, and then you go to shadows. So you click on shadows, and you toggle the x-axis, you move it, and then you toggle the y-axis, you move it downward a bit. Okay, depending on how you want it to be. So just move it to your satisfaction. So I usually move mine to this side. Okay, this way and this way. Then I will click on this plus button and reduce the darkness. So I just reduce it so it will be that too dark. Okay, I usually leave my own light so you can make yours. You can just toggle this depending on your choice. All right, I think this is just great. So we've achieved one of the mockup. You've mocked up your design like this. You've mocked it up. You can decide to hide it, and then voila, you've achieved this. Then the next one is how to mock it up in a phone. All right, so I'm gonna just hide this again and then enable this, and I'll go to import my mobile phone PNG. All right, so I'll go here, and I think I've downloaded this earlier. I'm gonna import it, and then all right, let me crop it first. So if you're looking, or if you want to ask on how you can get this, you can actually download this online. I'll download this on PNG3. So just search on Google for mobile phone PNG, just mobile phone PNG, and you'll see this exact same thing. All right, so this is just a list about a few minutes ago from online, from Google direct to PNG3. Okay, just head to png3.com and search your mobile phone PNG. So without wasting time, let's continue. So the next thing now, as you can see, our mobile phone PNG stuff is empty. We need to what? We need to put a frame on it. All right. So whatever I want to use, if is your design, sometimes I usually put an Instagram page. In that case, you're going to download, you're going to screenshot your Instagram page, or you download an Instagram page online, and then you place it here. Okay, but for this one, I'll just take a screenshot of this our design for the tutorial. So this screenshot, I'm gonna place it here just for the tutorial's sake. So I'll come over to import, and I'm going to import our screenshots. So I just did this screenshot right now. So this is the screenshot. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna rotate it. in your case, if you're using an Instagram page, because um most of the time we use an Instagram page which will have a space where you can place your social media design, because this social media design is usually posted online, like on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook. So you just screenshot the page, and then the space there'll be a for you to place the social media post design, all right? But then, for we not to waste too much time, I just made a screenshot to use this as an example. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to click on my phone and erase this color. So I'll just head over to erase color and I'll erase this, all right? I'll erase this, and then I'll take my phone here. I'll bring my phone over here. I'll bring it over, and okay, I'm gonna take this to the back. So I'll click on to back, okay, and I'll head to my. So this is not looking good yet because our screenshot is bigger than the phone. So what we're gonna do now is to max this. I'm gonna click on the screenshots, and then I'll click on the maxing objects. Click on max, and then I'll just need to make this fit that phone. So just take your time. Take your time. You're not rushing anywhere, and make sure this is the same with the phone or the frame. All right. So I'm gonna zoom this so I can see what I'm doing clearly. Okay. Bring this here. Bring this icon point. I can see decide to add icon points. I'll click this, and I will add icon points here. Sorry, I just deleted an icon point. Okay. So where's the add button? Okay, this is okay. I did another one. Add. Okay. All right. So I think I have enough anchor points. I'm gonna draw it. So I can erase this one now. So click on this and then eliminate this. All right. So just 4 anchor points will be enough for this maxing. So make sure it takes the frame of the mobile phone. Okay. Just take your time. Make sure you're doing this very well. Make sure it's perfect. Okay. So once you're done, you just click on out, and voila, we have our design. I think there is an error down here, so I'm gonna zoom this max and zoom it to correct this. Okay. Yeah, I think this is settled now. Okay, this is settled. We still have something to correct here. Come over here, and this is settled as well. Okay, and I think we still have something here. Make sure it's not going outside the phone frame. Okay. All right. So we've achieved this, but then this is not still looking good without. So we've achieved it, but this is not still looking good without the shadow. So we can decide here to put the shadow on the phone case. on the mobile phone frame, or we put it on the screenshot. So I'm gonna go first try the mobile phone shadow, and then I'll adjust it a little. This one should be very little. Okay, a little. I think 4 should be okay here. I'll reduce this, and I'll reduce this as well. Okay, this is also cool. We can also change the background, come over to this place, and we choose a background that suits our design. All right. Okay. Then secondly, if you don't want to put shadow on the frame, you can disable the shadow on the phone frame. Disable this, and then we'll go to the screenshot. Where's our screenshot? All right. That we just marked, and when I will click on shadow, okay, move it to this side. Okay, this way. And then we choose the darkness, sorry, the depth of the black. Okay, I think this is also cool. So guys, this is how you can mock up your design. And then if you don't want to also use this kind of shadow for your social media posts, you can decide to disable this shadow and then go online. So I'm going to go over to shadow, disable this, and then you now go online and search for shadow PNG. So I think I just did that recently, and after searching I got this. So I've been using this shadow effects on my designs. You just bring it closer and just zoom this so that the shadow effect can match this. So this will make it look a little bit kind of curved at the bottom, which is nice and attractive, as you can see. So if you don't want to use the first style, you can use this, and it's cool. You can also download that for the phone if you don't want to use this one too. So that was how you can do this. And then the other one of, all right, I think this is just it. Then the other one is about video editing, but that's I'll make video on this later. So subscribe guys, and if this really helped you learn one or two from this, kindly share this video, subscribe, follow up the channel, like the video, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Thank you. Again, if you would like to add watermarks on the video, like the Pixellab icon, the Photoshop icon if you're using Photoshop, your channel logo if you're using, you just have to click here and import them. Alright, so I'm gonna click on import, and I'll import a Pixellab logo I downloaded a few minutes ago. So right, like I said, I think alright, let me just skip that. I'm gonna zoom it. You place it at any point of at any spot of your choice. I'm gonna just leave this here just like it is in the sample I showed you guys, right? Or you can just place it at the edge. So I usually place mine at the edge of the thumbnail. Okay, and I think this is cool. So if you would like to use any of the stuff I used here, I will leave a link to the description. So once you're done watching, you can just go over to the description, and then you'll find the link to the frame I used, to the PNG shadow I used, and other resources. If you need the Pixellab logo, you can still find it there, although you can still download it yourself online. It's available everywhere on Google. All right guys, so this is it for how you can mock up your designs on your smartphone, whether you're a YouTuber or you're an aspiring YouTuber, especially those YouTubers that focus on the graphic design niche and would like to present their designs on YouTube. They would like their presentations, their thumbnail presentations on YouTube to be attractive, to be top notch. This video is for you. So thanks for watching, guys.